conversation at the school. Hello, Anne. How are you doing? Hi, Kate. I am doing pretty well. What about you? Well, I feel a little bit stressed out. By the way, have you completed the class project? Yeah, I finished it last night. How about you? No, not yet. I am having a hard time with the conclusion of my report. Do you need any help? Maybe just a little. Do you have time tonight? No, I am sorry. It's my aunt and uncle's anniversary, and I promised to babysit my niece. Oh, I understand. I am free tomorrow night. Tomorrow is good for me too. Can I come over, or would you like to come here? It might be quieter at your house. My brother is going to have a friend over, and they can be very noisy. Okay, then let's meet at my house. Sounds good. What time should I come over? How about 5 p.m.? I can make you dinner. Really? I would love to come for dinner. What's your favorite dish? Spaghetti and meatballs. But please make anything you like. Spaghetti and meatballs are my specialty. I'll make that. Sounds great. I will be there tomorrow at 5 p.m. See you tomorrow night.